Are you looking for the best hair transplant clinic in London but you're unsure what to look for exactly? The sheer variety of options can be overwhelming and intimidating even, but it's crucial that you don't rush into your decision. With all the various clinics, it's not hard to find price discrepancies of £4,000 or even £5,000 for the same number of hairs. Hi, I'm Janos from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I've accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. But this video is not about HairPalace. Today I will guide you through the vast number of clinics in London. With my help, you'll be able to decide the best place for your hair transplant. This list is based on Google reviews, so we gathered the clinics with the most 5-star reviews. We will cover every important detail including prices and available methods so you can make an informed decision. By the end of this video, you will know which place gives you the most value for your money. Now let's take a look at the top 5 hair transplant clinics in London based on patient reviews. At number 5, we have got Westminster Medical Group. Their surgeons are registered with the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, amongst other notable organizations. Aside of FUE and FUT hair transplants, they also offer scalp micropigmentation and beard transplants too. Depending on the scope of the treatment and the technique used, hair restoration costs range between £2,500 and £12,000. The clinic has a perfect 5-star rating, although this is only based on 23 reviews. At number 4 on our list, there is Fortis Hair and Skin Clinic. The company has an experienced team specializing in surgical and non-surgical treatments. Patients can undergo scalp micropigmentation, PRP treatment or low-level laser therapy. For hair transplants, they offer FUE and FUT techniques too. Prices range between £2,000 and £4,000 depending on the type of treatment you choose. The clinic enjoys large popularity, which is proven by its 4.8-star rating based on 59 reviews. The third place on our list goes to Harley Street Hair Clinic. All procedures are performed by doctors with proven success in hair restoration. The clinic specializes in most of today's popular FUE hair transplant techniques. Additional hair treatments include eyebrow reconstruction, transgender hair transplant, and advanced trichopigmentation. The clinic has a rating of 4.4 stars based on 63 reviews. When it comes to costs, 1,500 grafts, which is around 3,000 hairs, costs roughly £5,000, while their biggest procedures can cost as much as £9,000 to £12,000. At number 2, we have London Hair Transplant Clinic. London Hair Transplant Clinic caters to patients considering diverse cosmetic procedures. They offer everything from dermal fillers and facial hair transplants to lip augmentation. They also provide an Afro or Caribbean hair transplant procedure. The clinic has outstanding reviews, sitting at 4.8 stars based on 265 testimonies. Lastly, you can expect to pay anywhere from £5,000 up to £8,500 should you choose this clinic. Finally, the number 1 on our list, we have the Wimpole Hair Transplant Clinic. The Wimpole Clinic performs both FUE and FUT hair transplantations, but also restores growth on the eyebrows and beard. Additionally, they also provide PRP therapy, laser hair therapy, and other treatments too. The clinic has a 4.9-star rating based on 122 reviews. Prices can vary, but you can normally expect to pay anywhere between £4,500 and £7,000. So which clinic should you choose? There are several reputable hair clinics in London, but Wimpole Clinic seems to be the strongest contender at the moment. They are among the more reasonably priced clinics in the capital. Plus, they have an excellent track record based on their reviews, and they've treated multiple high-profile celebrities, such as Rob Holding. Now, the Wimpole Clinic might be considered relatively cheap for a hair transplant in London, but with their price range of £4,500 up to £7,000, their treatments still cost more than what an average person can afford. Thankfully, you don't have to pay these exorbitant prices to receive quality treatment. All you have to do is to go outside of London. Prices in the UK, and especially in London, can be extremely high, but you can get the exact same quality of care for a much lower price in Hungary. Hungary is a member state of the EU, which means that the private healthcare sector has to adhere to the same standards you are used to in the UK. But the standards of living are much lower, which can often save you 50 or even 70% on the costs of the services. When it comes to choosing the right clinic, you should consider several factors, including the clinic's reviews, results, and of course prices. Our clinic, HairPalace, has been at the forefront of hair restoration in Hungary for more than a decade now. And based on Google reviews, HairPalace is the best hair transplant clinic in Hungary. Our surgeons have nearly 10 years of experience and work exclusively with the latest FQE2 safe system method. We offer all-inclusive hair transplant packages, and even our biggest package of 5,000 hairs only costs around £2,300. With our help, you can easily save £3,000 to £5,000 by simply taking a 2-hour flight to Budapest. If you want to save thousands of pounds on your hair transplant, book a free, no-obligation consultation today by clicking the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.